Hello students, I will continue with the chapter water, land and air. So in the last video I've discussed about the formation of the earth and the different layers of the earth. I will continue with the same portion in this video also. So the upper solid part of the earth is known as the lithosphere. In Greek word, actually lithos means stone. So the upper solid part of the earth is made up of the basically of stony nature, so this is known as the lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and a thin layer of soil which contains nutrients for the plants. Weathering or disintegration of rocks actually leads to the formation of the soil. This lithosphere is important to all the living beings. Plants grow in this lithosphere, consuming the nutrients of the soil, and animals and the human beings take plants as their food for survival purpose. The rocks of the lithosphere are the source of several important minerals that are found on the earth's surface, and also the metals like copper, aluminium, gold, etc. The building materials like sandstone, granite, marble, etc. are also obtained from the lithosphere. So from this we can understand this layer of the lithosphere is very important for us. Okay, so this is the layer which is made up of the rocks and the thin layer of the soil. The soil generally forms from the rock particles itself, and the soil is the one which is providing nutrients to all the living beings, and the plants, for example, take the nutrients from the soil, and the animals and the human beings take the plants as their food. So indirectly we are also dependent on this soil for our survival purpose. Okay, the rocks of the lithosphere also is the source of very important minerals and the metals that we generally find, like the copper, aluminium, gold. It also provide us with the building materials, means by which we made our houses, like the sandstone, granite, marbles, etc. The liquid realm, or the liquid part of the earth, is known as the hydrosphere. The word hydro actually comes from the word hydra, which means water. Okay, it is also known as the water sphere of the earth also. The water bodies like the oceans, then seas, then lakes, then rivers actually made this hydrosphere part of the earth. The source of this enormous water is not known, is basically unknown to our scientists for some point of the time. Then the scientists start formulating some formulas, or put forward some popular theories regarding the formations, or this regarding the presence of the water on the earth's surface. Our earth is covered by 70% of the 70% of the earth is covered by the water surface, and as a result of that, our earth is also known as the blue planet, because from our distance it appears blue in color. That is why it is known as the blue planet. Life on the earth wouldn't have been possible without the existence of the water. Okay, so for this reason, the water is the one of the most important realms of the earth.